In this video, I'm going to show you how to beautifully record screen on your iPhone along with the camera. The first step is to download an app named Screen Studio. The link to this software is given in the description of the video. Once you open this app, here you can see you can record your display, windows, and a specific area. Here you will see an option of device. Just click on device. Here you will see an iPhone. If you are not able to see your iPhone, then disconnect your iPhone from the Mac and connect it again. And it might ask on your iPhone to trust the computer. Just allow trust computer. Now select your iPhone from here. Click on start recording. Now this will start recording everything that's present on your iPhone. It will start recording your screen. So like once you are done with the screen recording, you will see an option of stop the recording at the top. You can see this symbol of stop the recording. Just click on this. Now this will start recording. Now click on edit. Now click on edit. So here you can see your iPhone screen. By default, it is set to classic mode. You can set it as a full wide mode, or you can set it to portrait mode as per your liking. You can even adjust the camera angle. So you can keep it vertical or horizontal. I prefer square. And you can adjust the camera size. You can adjust the position. You can generate captions. You can enhance audio as per your liking. So select the size of your video as per your requirement, and then click on export. So you can set the resolution to 10K or 4K and click on export to file, and this will give you the finalized output. So this is how you can beautifully record your iPhone screen along with the camera on your iPhone. So that's it about the video, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.